everybody, happy Valentine's Day. It's Janet and welcome to my craft room. I'm just going to quick show you my beautiful little flowers. These are miniature roses that I got for Valentine's Day and they smell good too. I hope you're having a great Valentine's Day, in fact. I am also here though to tell you about a great and sweet deal with Stamp & Storage today. They are offering 10% off with a coupon code with love and free shipping on any order size. So even if you ordered something under $50, you're going to get free shipping today with that code. But in addition, you're going to get a free pop-up wastebasket if you order $50 or more. So there's three things that you can take advantage of: the 10% off, the free shipping, and that free pop-up wastebasket if you want to purchase today. If you do, I've put the coupon code, the link, and some other information in my video description this morning so you can pick that up and take advantage of the sale. You have to do it today though. It's only today for Valentine's. So I wanted to show you a few things that I use from Stamp & Storage. This is something I really love. It's their pocket page, I don't know exactly the name, pocket page holder is what I'm going to call it. I'll look it up and make sure that the name is on my video description. But it holds perfectly a 6x6 pad of paper and all the associated little pieces that are left after you're done making your projects. So usually what I found was when I used a paper pad and had the leftovers, they'd just go all over the place. It was hard to keep them together and it got very messy in a hurry. But this will fit nicely into a container and keep everything nicely organized. There's a tab here too if you want to put the name of it or anything like that, maybe color scheme or season, you can do so. I never bother with that, but I know a lot of people would appreciate that if it were available to them in a holder like this. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of some of the Stamp & Storage products I have, which I use primarily in my IKEA unit. Hopefully that will give you some ideas of your own about how to use their products if you're not familiar with them. But this will give you an idea of how I've used them, and I've purchased mine over the years. So they are very long-lasting, good quality products. So let's take a quick tour of what I've got. Okay everyone, this is my IKEA unit. It's called a Calyx. That's the model of it. And I use Stamp & Storage units in this. They're made specifically for the Calyx. I want to also stress though that this is just one version of the types of units that I have. They sell them in various and different sizes. These just happen to be made specifically for the Calyx size because it is so popular among crafters. But the Calyx size is generally just a little bit more expensive than just their normal different standard sizes. So just keep that in mind. This is not at all representing that if you don't have this unit, you can't use their products. It's quite the opposite. So let me show you a few of the units that I have and really enjoy using. So this first one I'm going to show you is the marker storage unit. Now again, this fits the IKEA Calyx specifically, and it does not hold the entire Copic marker collection. I think that's like 270, and I believe I have about 170. But this allows me to see all of my markers. I arrange them kind of in more or less rainbow order, and it even has a little room for me at the bottom to keep some fine liners and my jelly rolls. Here's some Caron metallic markers. So it gives me a little bit of room to place that kind of item as well. So super unit because you can really see all of your markers, whether you would use it for Copics or Spectrum Noir, whatever you want to use it for. Any marker just about would fit here. But what I love is that you can see the caps, you can put things in order, and you can easily slip them in and out while you're working. And that's what I do. It's close enough to me that I can just turn around, grab my colors, use them, and put them back. Another item that I use a lot are these paper storage units. These are 12 by 12 paper units. They can be made to be used either horizontally or vertically. It just depends on which way you place the unit. So if I turn them around, they would be horizontal. I just happen to like the vertical storage option. And you can buy these tabs as well. Let me pull this one out. And that allows you to label your papers and allow you to keep track of what you have. So these 3 units that I have in this row are just sorted by color and then by theme. And then this one down here are all my Christmas papers, or maybe the majority of the 12 by 12 Christmas papers. I do have a couple more pads in a different place. But this is the majority, and since I do Christmas crafting kind of all year, it's very handy to keep it here. Another unit that I use and love a lot is this storage unit for my creative memories and Stampin' Up! Punches. So these are laid out so nicely to fit both. And you can buy just the Creative Memories one that's really made specifically for that, or you can buy ones that are made specifically for the Stampin' Up! Ones. And then you can buy whale tail style too. I chose this one, and I think it's a Stampin' Up! Version, but I figured out based on the dimensions of it that I could put both Creative Memories and Stampin' Up! In there. And then I just have a few, they aren't whale tail, but they're, you know, the longer style from like We Are Memory Keepers that at least I think that's what they are. But, sorry, EK Success. So anyway, I have a few of those in there. So I really like having those where I can see them and can pull them out and use them as I need to. It just makes it so much more likely to use these things when you can see them. Then the last thing I'd like to show you is this 4-drawer unit. Again, this one is made for the Calyx unit, but you can get them, you know, to be put on your work surface, your desk, or even hung, I believe. This one has all of my pre-made and scored A2 size card bases, so I can pull them out when I'm working and I'm ready to go. This one above here has my currently completed, most recently completed cards, and I'll put them here until this gets full, and then I move them to other storage options. This one has nothing but A2 envelopes. And this one has kind of my odds and ends of envelopes, square, 5x7s, and so forth. So those are the units that I have and love. So if you want to take advantage of some of these products, now is the time to try them and use them while they're offering this great sale. All right, everybody, thanks for stopping by today. Again, happy Valentine's Day, and do take advantage of this wonderful sale today from Stampin' Storage. Again, 10% off with the coupon code WITHLOVE, free shipping on any amount of order, and if you happen to order $50 or more, you will receive a free pop-up waste basket. So I hope you'll take advantage of that if you happen to be thinking about buying some things from Stampin' Storage anyway. It's a great deal, and I'm happy to share it with you. Again, happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.